And today it's the big day for me. I got something to unbox, and it's something I have waited for a little bit long time. I have saved some money and wait for it, and now I have bought it, and what I have bought is this. Bam. DJI Mavic Air Combo. This is my new drone, Mavic Air Combo, in flame red, the beautiful flame red. I can't wait to open. It's sealed, of course, it's sealed, never opened before, straight from DJI, and now we will unbox it. I can't wait. Mavic Air Fly More Combo, because here you have to get a 3 battery, you have bag to walk with, you have load so you can charge 3 battery in one time, you have many more things. So here is the pack, here is Christmas, here is everything, and now we unbox it. From DJI, it's the Mavic Air Fly More Combo. And I have waited for this for a long time. The color is flame red. Fantastic. And this is new model, new everything. I have never had Mavic Air before. It's brand new. And I had Spark before, and I had Mavic Pro, but this is something between Spark and Mavic Pro. Okie dokie. Okay. Here. Wow. Here it begins. Here it's one box. I take one box and put it on table, and then you can look at it when it come out. I think it's cooler to do like that. Here it's this travel. This is cool. This you get when you have this Fly More Combo. More battery and more everything. And here is something. I think it's about here it's many things. Here is this propel guards. If you fly inside, you need them. DJI Care refresh, keep flying, blah blah blah, DJI support. Yes. Mavic Air Fly More Combo. Nice box. Wow. Look at this beautiful piece, and look at this beautiful red color. This is so beautiful. Wow. How nice is this? Wow. It's the first time I hold in this new drone. Of course it's the first time. It's like so little, but anyway so heavy. You feel like it feel not cheap, it feel like. And here for people, if you not a buy drone before, unfold the rear arms, blah blah blah. But we know about it. I had many drones before. There. And they're so small, extremely small arm. leg. My God. Yes, yes, yes. And see here. This here. This. I must use some time. Wow. So cool. That was very nice to... And here is the camera. It's a very nice gimbal here on this. So, nice. Fantastic. Really, really, really. And this color, it's so beautiful. Look at this engineering. And 3-axis gimbal. Beautiful. Really, really beautiful. DJI can drones. They are proof. Gimbal. You have sensor back. You have sensor under here. So it's a lot of sensor. And here you have the battery pack for 21 minutes fly time. So little and so sweet. It's so sweet. It's so nice. Some more props. See, props. And some other things. See here, there. Mavic Air. Unfold antennas and mobile device clamps. Here you have sport mode. This and this, and under here you can see them. Here is this. So smart, so easy. You take them out here, this, and put them there, and like this. Wow. You can charge 4 battery here. 2 here, 2 here. So smart. And you have 1 battery here. What we have to do, like always, we have a battery on the table, we have drone there. I take out this battery. 1 battery sit in and 2, so I have 3 of them. 3 battery in this Mavic Air Fly More combo. 3 battery, and this time DJI do something I never see before, because I had all model from them since beginning, and I have Inspire 2 now. But see here, they have a adapter. This is to controller. So you have to use this on adapter here. So this go into the controller, and this go into the charger. 2.5 hours to load, but it's much of battery in controllers. Fantastic. This is ready. And there, so I take on power. We are charging controller, and we are charging battery. So battery, it's charged, and the first thing you have to do when you take on drone for first time, it's always a firmware with DJI like this. So you turn your mobile phone into this controller and turn on RC this first, and then you turn on your Mavic Air, and it say to you immediately that you want a new firmware, and then you begin to download. Beautiful drone, beautiful color. It's firmware like it's always with a new drone from DJI. See the drone, see the propel, see the camera, the gimbal, and the sound, the DJI sound. Doo-doo-doo. It was 122 megabyte, update complete, manual restart your aircraft. Okay, so that's complete, that's cool. So aircraft first. Okay, it's a new firmware available for remote controller. Okay, everything should be ready now. Activate. This, I agree. Next. This, you see, good picture because now it's ready for film. So you can see my hand there. We can go and take a look at this. He's then on auto, of course. Here it's film video size. It's like 4K 30 frames second. 30 frames, yes, and we have much difference down here. Slow motion, and we have 120 frames in full HD. 1080p we have 120 frames slow motion. But now it's 4K 30 frames. IMU. Okay. So it's ready. The drone is ready to take off. That is perfect.